there! Welcome to my Chinese kitchen. It's a wonderful day and let's cook double skim milk today. Need full fat milk, sugar, 3 egg white. In the small kettle, let's pour in the milk and bring it to simmer. You can see it's almost bubbling but not boiling. And then let's transfer them to small bowls to cool down. While they are cooling down, let's mix the egg white and the sugar. And don't forget the pinch of salt. Mix them gently and well enough so that they are fully dissolved. Set aside and wait. When the milk is cooled, you can see there's a thin layer of skin that's cutely wrinkled. Let's use a stick or a small knife to slice open the edge of the skin and pour carefully away the milk so that the skin is not broken. You have to keep a very small amount of milk at the bottom so that the milk doesn't stick to the bottom of the bowl. After that, let's pour in the mixture of the egg white and sugar into the milk and mix them well. Then use a bowl and a strainer or a tea filter to strain the milk mixture. One time is enough, but if you have time like I do, let's strain another time to create even smoother texture. Great. And let's pour the milk very carefully along the side of the bowl so that the skin is floating on top. To cover the milk, you can use cling film, but sometimes it creates a side effect that the film drops on top of the milk pudding. So I would recommend the aluminum paper wrap if you have it in your kitchen. And bring a little of water to boil and put in the milk. Let's steam for 20 minutes or so. And make sure to use the glove to take the milk out because it's boiling hot. You can serve it hot immediately or fridge it for later. Check out this great texture. It melts in your mouth and stays in the heart. As it is my first cooking tutorial, I thought it's nice to bring something sweet to begin or end your wonderful day. I hope you guys like it, and if there's any step that's confusing, let me know in the comment. Bye!